Elementor Templates Photography is what we are going to discuss in this video.
Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a new landing page or website for photography service business. First of all, make sure you already log in into your WordPress website, and then you already install Elementor Page Builder, of course, because we are going to use WordPress and Elementor. And after that, please go to the template section, go to Save Templates menu here, and then import the templates you already got from me on my Gumroad account, on my Gumroad catalog. Choose files and then choose where the location you already downloaded the photographer Elementor templates. Here you already have 9 Elementor templates or 9 JSON files. So I want to choose this photography services Elementor template. Just open it and then import now. Continue it. So it will be uploaded to the Save Template section. We just have to wait for a while. Actually, I already uploaded, but I just want to show you for the beginner, especially the beginner who are using WordPress and Elementor. Wait for a while. Okay, so now you can find this is the JSON files that already uploaded to the Save Template sections. What are you going next to do is just go to the page sections, because you want to create a new page in your WordPress website. Click add new page and then put the title. As an example, I just want to put this title here. Of course, the title will be up to you. And then click the button, edit Elementor button. As an example, I'm using the classic editor, that's why probably it will be different if you are using blog section, or if maybe you are using Gutenberg. Okay, after you get into the Elementor Page Builder, make sure you go to the left corner here to go to settings, and then go to page layout. Change your page layout into Elementor Canvas, so you can we can have the full version of the page builder, Elementor Page Builder. And then go to add template and click my templates menu here. Then you have to find the photography services Elementor template. Just click insert, apply, and then Elementor will call your JSON files and put it into your page, just like this. Okay, so the design of your landing page or websites for photography services is ready. What are you going next to do is just you have to edit every part, every column, and every section in this Elementor page. Let's say you want to change the title here, so you just have to click on the column part, edit column, and then you will find or maybe here in this edit heading, then you will find in the left section you can change this John Doe's to Jane Foster. Okay, photography, or again it is up to you, because you are going to change this by your own, and then depend on your business, of course. And then the second section is the carousel section. In this column, you just have to go to this edit image carousel, and then you will find 6 images here. Just click it. You can delete everything and change it with your own images. Just go to add to gallery, and then you can upload your own photos from your computer to this gallery section, or if you already uploaded in your media library, you can choose it from your media library, and you just have to delete everything and change with your own image. It is very easy. And the same to another part. So if you are used to edit or create a page in Elementor, it will be very easy. you just have to click everything here, just edit heading, go to the left part here, and then change professional studio photography or professional services, professional photography services maybe. Okay, and if you want to change the typography, the font, especially if you want to choose another font than this railway, maybe Ramabadra here, so you can change the font and then change the content here. It will be very easy because using Elementor Page Builder is really easy to modify. And another part also, you can change the image here also. Just choose the image from your own computer or from your media library. And for another part also, make sure every section and every column already fixed here. If you want to modify everything, just modify with your own images and your own content, and then click on this part probably if you haven't seen the icon, just like this. Okay, so we can get the icon, and you can change the social icons also. Just click edit social icons and go to the left part, and then you can put your own social media link here. You can change it into your own social media. If you want to add another social media, probably TikTok, so maybe you can change the icon to TikTok. Oh, I haven't found the TikTok here. Maybe you can, or maybe your Pinterest, just like this, and then insert. Okay, so you can find another social media that you want to put in this part. Okay, that's it. So it will be very easy to modify these JSON files or these Elementor ready-made Elementor templates. And if you think it is already fixed and set up, just publish it. Then you'll find that your page is ready or your website is ready. Just have a look. Okay, there you go. This is your new page for your photography services landing page or photography services website. Okay, that's it for this video. See you on the next video. We will discuss again, or we will show you again another templates that we want to create with our collection of photographer or photography Elementor templates. Thank you.